Welcome. Thank you for braving the morning traffic if you're a local person. A bunch of local persons will probably show up later due to the traffic. My name is Mark Carlson. I chair the SDC Agenda Committee, which has created and curated the content for you this week. I hope everybody's enjoying the conference. If you're not familiar with SNIA, we have a lot of things we're working on here. Persistent memory, we've got the whole hackathon going this week. In the Swordfish, we had a whole track on that on Monday. Physical storage, data management, data security, cloud storage, and storage management. So we work on standards, but we also have an Interoperability Lab and some conformance test programs that will make sure that everybody interoperates on a big standard. We also have various technology initiatives that may or may not make their way into standards. We have SNIA education, a whole library of content that you can go search on. We also do people certification where you can pass a test and get certified at a certain level of expertise. And then SNIA events like this one and others. So just a brief look at some of the things we've done in 2019 so far. We're planning to release the CDMI 2.0 by the end of the year. We also have a computational storage architecture and programming model that group is working on. LTFS version 2.5, it's on its way to ISO. There's a new work called the native NVMe over Fabrics drive specification. So if you want to get involved with that, contact the object drive twig. We have the NVM programming model. We're working on version 1.3 of that. Object drive key value API specification, we published that earlier this year. Persistent memory performance test spec. SNIA Emerald Power Efficiency Management Specification, SSM, or Swordfish Scalable Storage Management API, and the TLS version 1.1. And more, of course. The SFF twig is really prolific, and they come out with specs very quickly. And these are just a look at some of the ones that have already come out this year. So we have annual meeting call coming up in October. If you are the primary rep for your company to SNIA, you need to be on this call so we can get quorum and make some motions and so forth. We also have the annual members symposium. I believe that's right back here in the Hyatt, and that's in January. And then we have the Persistent Memory Summit that's always part of that. It's on January 23rd. Also on an international level, there's the SDC EMEA, February 5th in Tel Aviv, so put that on your calendar, as well as SDC India in Bangalore. Those are well-attended events with a lot of really good talks. A lot of them end up in our library as well. So, thanks to our attendees and thanks to our sponsors, speakers, plugfesters. These are our sponsors. The size of the logo determines how much they paid. So, we're going to have our general sessions in this room until lunch. We'll have lunch out in the sponsor showcase as usual. We'll have more breakout sessions this afternoon. And we have a networking reception and sponsor thank you from 5 to 7 p.m., just like we did last night, and then BOF meetings from 7 to 9. There is a mobile app. You can download the app, log in, and customize your agenda, download presentations while you're in the meeting, etc. Just get the link. From either a QR code or from typing it in, storagedeveloper.org. The Interoperability Lab is well underway, And these are the folks that are involved in that. This is SMB3, Interoperability Lab. This is something that's been an essential part of our conference here for multiple years. And then Swordfish has a workshop going on. So SMIA wrote that. The Persistent Memory Hackathon was underwritten by the Solid State Storage Initiative.